Hello YouTubers. This is Slim Pig with another video. This time the video that I'm gonna make is something very simple. I'm gonna take out my engine cover on my 2ZZGE and I'm gonna put the original one, which is so big. I'm gonna put the Toyota Celica version because they have the same engine. So I'm gonna put the Celica cover on my Toyota Matrix XRS. So it should be good. Hopefully it looks way better than before. And let's get right to it. All right, folks, here is the Toyota Celica engine cover. And I'm gonna put this on my Matrix. The Matrix one's a little bit bigger and I don't like how it looks. This one, I like how it looks because it has, it exposed the engine. And the one with the Matrix, it covers the engine. So this is for the Toyota Celica engine cover. I didn't get the bolts. So I hope the bolts that I have for my engine will fit for these bolts right here. So here it is. It's kind of old, but it's all good. Maybe in the future I'll paint it, but for now we're just gonna get it installed and see how it looks. Here's my engine bay right there, and this is the cover that I basically want to get rid of. It's too big, and I want to put the Toyota Celica version of the cover because it's just gonna go to like a L shape and it's gonna expose the engine here, and that's gonna look much better. Hopefully these nuts right here can fit to the ones that I have for the Toyota Celica cover because I don't have the nuts for it. So hopefully once I take this out, hopefully it can work out. I got it out, and this is it. This is my first time seeing my 2ZZGE engine, and wow, she is so beautiful. Look at that. Right now, I'm gonna get the cover. It's gonna basically cover this part right here, and it's gonna go like that. So it should be interesting. But it looks good, huh? Maybe in the future I will give this a nice, polish, clean it up. All right, folks. So I cleaned the engine a bit. What I did is I just sandpapered it, and it's all these scratches right here, but it looks way better than before because it was a little dirty. So time to time I'm gonna sand this over. I seen a guy on YouTube. He had a Toyota Celica, the same engine, and he had like a drill, and he was drilling sandpaper with it, just doing it, circling it, and that was really cool. And then the aftermath is that it was like shiny as hell. even this, he did this. So I kind of want to do something like that in the future. But for now, I'm just gonna maybe just do a little sanding with a simple sandpaper and just, get it ready for that phase maybe in the future. But I think it looks way better than before, Before it had all kinds of dirt and, some oil or whatever. But now it looks way better. So I'm gonna put that Celica engine cover and see how it looks. All right, folks, darkness came upon me. It got all dark, but I got it done most parts. I wish I could work on it a little more. So what I did is I sandpapered the, just the top. I sandpapered just a little bit, to make it look clean. And I use, I don't know, any sandpaper. I don't even know what grit is this, but yeah, I got the cover on. One bolt there, one bolt there, one bolt there, and there's no bolt right here because this thing's on the way, so it's not like, you know, but it's pretty stable. Yeah, but anyways, there she is, the Celica cover for my Trinity. Yeah. I'm gonna probably, you know, put the strut bar next, and, you know, little by little I'll work on this. All right, hope y'all enjoy, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.